Have you ever wondered that what is it which parents can teach to their children so they grow up into good human beings? Have you ever wondered what we as a human race can learn that this world is a place full of love, acceptance, and peace? Hello and namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Ashtang Life by The Bad Yogi. My name is Aditya Shakalya, and in the previous video, I had given a brief introduction about the 8 limbs of the Ashtang Yoga philosophy. Without wasting any further time, let's jump into the very first step, the yamas. So the sutra goes like this: Ahimsa Satya Asteya Brahmacharya Aparigraha Yamaha. That means there are 5 kinds of yama. You didn't see that coming, did you? Now these 5 yamas that this sutra is talking about are ahimsa or non-violence, satya or truthfulness, asteya or non-stealing, brahmacharya or discipline of desires, and the last number 5, aparigraha or non-hoarding or not having any greed. Now wait a minute, I know what are you thinking. This is such old school idealistic bullshit. You would ask me that I should look around the world and see that there are people fighting in every corner of this planet. People are lying left, right and center. Our chosen leaders do it all the time. There are affairs happening in pretty much every household. And the so-called big people or the good people or the reputed people, they have been fined stealing and hoarding the most in these tough COVID times. So why should I be talking about these things? But we must understand that this sutra is meant for people who want to live a happy and peaceful life. It says that you need to follow these things to have happiness and peace and contentment in your life. It is not about what is going on in the world right now. It is not showing you a mirror. It is saying this is how you must try to become. So it is as if Patanjali had guessed that these kind of objections will crop up. So the very next sutra he says, Jati Desh Kala Samaya Na Vanchinaha Sarvabhauma Mahavratam. In this, he is literally trying to tell you that these yama, which we discussed a little while back, must be followed irrespective of your place in the society, your circumstances, the times or the era in which you are living, and irrespective of the boundaries or borders or distinctions of any kind. That means you cannot say that, oh, I am not following the yamas because I'm having a bad time, or I'm poorer, somebody else is richer, or somebody started it first. It applies to everybody irrespective of which situation he is in. See, we need to kind of look at it closely. All of us think that we are truthful, we are peace loving, we never steal, we have the best of intentions and don't cheat, and everyone else is the opposite of this. They cheat, they are liars, they are violent. But there cannot be any ounce of truth in this, and this is where lies the duality, the germination of the problems. We really are living in a world where on one end we call all these things as outdated, but on the other we want to have all these good qualities. However, how we think we are and how we really act in current situations are two very, very different things. And remember, it is our actions that matter more than our words. So in the upcoming videos, as we go deeper and take apart these thoughts one by one, I guarantee you that there will be more questions than there will be answers. So what you need to do as an individual is that you have to go deeper. There has to be more silence, more introspection and more meditation, and you will have to find your own truth. This is not any medicine, and never did Patanjali intend it to be one, that he writes something and you just start following it and life will be rosy. We need to find our own place in this world. But for now, I think this much is enough in this video. This would be getting your wheels moving. You would be thinking more about the kind of life that we intend to live. Don't get scared of looking at yourself in the mirror. When we look at ourselves deeply, all of us are ugly in one way or the other, but there is always scope to clean ourselves up and shine in the best possible manner. So, guys, if this video has touched you in a certain way, or you have decided to think a bit more about yourself and the world around you, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the bell icon so that whenever the next video is out, you are the first one to know about it. Have a good day. Take care. Hari Om. Hey guys, so this is an invitation from me to you. Right now, I know that the situation is not very nice, not very comfortable, even scary. All of us are stuck at home or in very, very small spaces. We are not able to work out or do the things that we like. So, I invite you to join me online in Zoom classes, do yoga with me in ways of asana, pranayam, some breathing exercises, a bit of meditation. And if you are a COVID survivor and you would want to re-strengthen your lungs, you can get in touch with me. My Instagram handle is written below. You can always DM me and I'll get back in touch with you. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.